Hello, I'm Trevor Lewis from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. This is a quick video about how to use the Zoom whiteboard when you're in Zoom. So I like the Zoom whiteboard when I'm in a Zoom because it's built into Zoom, so there's going to be less lag and less other things open that are going to decrease the performance of my Zoom. So I'm here in this lonely Zoom by myself, but you could do this with students or with colleagues. And to get to the Zoom whiteboard, I just press share screen. And when that pops open, I just choose whiteboard and I hit share. It'll open up this whiteboard. I've maximized mine, but you can see that there's tools up here that I can do. Okay, just sort of basic tools, and you can write on it. If you're using a Surface Pen, the eraser does not work. It works just like writing, just like my finger. Zoom does not integrate very well with the Windows environment in that way. The eraser here tool is a stroke eraser though, so if you just touch any of the line, like any part of the line, it gets rid of the whole line. You can also clear the whole screen. There's probably also a way to use this with using annotations, but I haven't played around with that with my students yet. But this is a nice quick tool for when you're not planning to use a whiteboard, but then you suddenly want to write on something. I do recommend that you turn off your video and you put your surface flat like this so that you can write a little bit more legibly and clearly. It is a little bit easier to be doing this and monitoring what's going on in Zoom because it's all built into Zoom.